How to start IPTV reselling in 2025 with TEREATV, full explanation. Entering the IPTV world in 2025 has become one of the easiest ways to start an online business with low investment and high profit potential. If you are a complete beginner, this post will explain everything you need to know in simple steps about becoming an IPTV reseller and why TEREATV Reseller Plans 2025 are among the best options for starting your business. What is an IPTV reseller? Beginner explanation. An IPTV reseller is someone who buys credits from a provider like TEREATV, uses those credits to create IPTV subscriptions for customers, sells the subscriptions at their own price, keeps 100% of the profit. It's a zero-maintenance business. No servers, no technical setup, no coding. Everything is handled by TEREATV. You only manage customers, accounts, payments. Your reseller panel. Why IPTV reselling is a great business in 2025? Low investment, high monthly profit, massive demand in the USA, UK, Canada, and Europe. You control your pricing. You can create unlimited customers. You can build your own reseller network. It's one of the fastest growing online businesses with minimal risk. Why choose TEREATV Reseller Program? Because TEREATV gives you everything you need to start immediately. Full control panel. You get your own dashboard where you can create accounts, renew accounts, add sub-resellers, track customers, manage credits, control everything 24/7, 24/7 technical support. Any problem you or your customers face, TEREATV team is available at all times. Unlimited sub-resellers. You can recruit your own resellers and grow your business like a mini IPTV company. TEREATV Reseller Plans 2025 beginner-friendly breakdown. Below is a simple explanation for each plan and who it is best for. 1. 60 credits reseller plan. $120. Best for complete beginners. Start small and learn how the system works. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. 2. 100 credits master reseller. $200. Perfect if you have 10-20 potential customers. Suitable for early scaling. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. 3. 200 credits master reseller. $350. Good for small business owners. Great return on investment. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. 4. 500 credits super reseller. $750. Best for building a reseller network, high profit structure. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. 5. 1,000 credits pro reseller. $1,000 for serious business expansion. Ideal if you already have customers waiting. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. 2,000 credits Pro Max Reseller special offer. $2,000. The best value for large-scale resellers. Grow quickly with maximum profit. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. 2,500 credits Pro Max Reseller special offer. $2,300. Highest package for professional IPTV entrepreneurs. Max credits, Max ROI. Includes 24/7 support, full control panel, unlimited sub-resellers. How much can beginners earn? Simple example. Let's say you sell one IPTV account for 15. If you buy the 60 credits plan, 120, you can create 60 accounts. Sell each for 15. Total income, $900. Profit after cost, $780. Even beginners can make profit from week 1. Who is this for? Beginners wanting a side income. Students, entrepreneurs, freelancers. Anyone who wants an online business with low risk. Ready to start your IPTV business in 2025? TEREATV gives you strong servers, huge content library, 50,000 plus live channels, 4K support, stable service. Just pick your plan and start earning.